My name is Elena Jordanova. I come from Štip, Macedonia. I'm 19 years old. I'm studying architecture and design at Natural and Technical Sciences at University Goce Delče Štip. Including English, I also speak German and Serbian language. For me, I can say that I'm friendly, communicative, and a hardworking person, so I'll give my best. Also, I am a patient person, so I think I could work under pressure. For my job experience, I have worked in a bar in Ohrid as a waitress. My job was to serve guests with the drinks and food, to complete the orders and to clean the place. That was last summer for my summer job. Also, I have worked in a restaurant, Piazza Liberta, here in Štip as a prep cook. My job was to make pasta, salads, to chopping vegetables, etc. I applied for this job because I like working in kitchen with food. I think it's an interesting job. You always have something to do. It's not boring. You're busy all the time. And I also love cooking, so I think it will be great to learn some new recipe and try some new kitchen. I want to visit America and some places. For example, I want to visit the capital of United States, Washington D.C. To see the White House, to visit all the museums, including NASA Museum. Also, I want to visit New York, see the Statue of Liberty, Times Square. Also, it will be great to see the Niagara Falls, Yellowstone National Park, etc. Some of my friends who have been there informed me that they had a great time, so I think it's a great way to spend the summer there, to experience some new culture, new lifestyle, to see how people live in other country, to work on my own, to make money on my own, to make some new friends, travel, see some places. That will be a great experience for me, and it's like a dream came true. So I hope I'll get this job and spend the next summer in America, and see you soon. Thank you.